opening squishy dumplings. So. What? What, glitter dumpling?
Why?
Glitter dumpling.
Show it closer.
Look at that. I was in zoo. Glitter dumpling. Last time I think I got a pink. But then it popped.
Super cool. Happy?
Yeah. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.